ito pa, in the last of this video, part 2, no, nakapost ngayon sa YouTube ko at sa Facebook ko to. Hindi ako yung akala nyo. I am not your thinking in your life. I've never showed my life wherein I am. I'm not rich person, but I'm a friendly person. Palakaibigan ako. Kahit napakatalino kong tao, if I'm just a smarter person, because of my bloodline, my sister, my brother, my father, where I born, I proud to be Deo Gracias because we are a smart family in Maynila. Because my family is famous people. Alam nyo, ba't ako pinamigay ng mama ko? Dahil ayaw ng nanay ko na matulad ako sa tatay ko, sa mga kapatid ko ngayon na masama ugali nila. Kaya ako pinalaki sa mga pamilyang hindi ko naman tunay na pamilya. At ito pa, huwag niyong husgahan ako kung ano ko. Hindi niyo alam kung ano ang story ng buhay ko. You don't know what is my story in my life before you judge me as I am. I am sacrifice myself entire in my life in PNP, worsting my life. I so much angry with those that they are working in the government because they're not working hardly to respect a person, just an ordinary person. I'm just a simple person that I don't know why. Why you just thinking that I'm scamming you? That I don't know why. Why you just acting like that? This is pretending, just creating a story that I don't know why. Now, I am back to advise in giving you the reality of me. No, I am not a famous person. I am not like them. I am just ordinary person, just a simple person. That I just showing you that I have a mental good health, that you think in yourself that I'm not your thinking. So my voice is slightly and not loudly because I want to do this to make you know who I am, has become a person. I am not the person you, what you do, or what you become telling me about who I am. Not about I'm speaking English, not about you insulting me as I am. You cannot insult a person because I can speak my own language, Filipino. I am a Filipino and I am proud to be a Filipino. This is my country, Philippines. I born in Philippines, but I know how to speak your country, English, because I want you to understand what I telling, what I advise here. To all of those people watching this, you know how become a Filipino, how become who you are, where you've been a foreigner, or no matter where you living in this place where you are. Learn yourself. Learn how to fight that you are correction. But if you're the wrong, be silent, quarry. Because I know in myself, you cannot insecure with a person like me. Because I do the way I've been Thai, become a poor person. But I am not the person you can judge. Because I am talented person. You can read. I am an advisor in my own life. Has become motivation. People learn, become change their life. Because I know, I know how to change them. Because I know who I am. Now, I cannot be prevent like to have a pride. I don't have pride, chicken. I have give advice to show you who I am. Because I am a person that you can say, Mom, if you just respecting me as I am, who you been in yourself, did you know that you have working in the office, you're just working everywhere, you're just a vendor everywhere, etc. But you are just a Filipino. Why you thinking at me that I am you thinking yourself? I just asking a question of the PNP. I'm just asking a question in the barangay and the other people, that educated people, poor or rich. I asking you in English, where is your education? Where is your God in your internal self? That you just encourage me, that you judging me as I am. No, wala kayong dapat husgahan. Dahil kahit ano pa tayo, no matter wala kang pinag-aralan, may pinag-aralan ka, tayo ay Pilipino. We are a Filipino and we are a hero in our life. We are not the other country. We are respectable people in the Philippines. I am not just a person you can judge and you can pretending that you are in loving me with my body and I because I'm pretty. You can do what you want. You can say what you do. You can secure with me. I just give you advice who I am in this blog. I am Darker Jovi and I'm a blogger and I'm a hero in my own country and no one can say that you are judge my own country. I respect all of those artists in other country. But you need to respect all of those artists, human being here in the Philippines because this is our country. We are Filipino and this is our land. You are just coming here for business and you just insulting us. How dare you, foreigners? How dare you? You can do what you do in the entire life that you've been living in the Philippines, question mark, then insulting me that blah 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 blah, then you are artist. And it's asking with Randol Labador, hey man, if you understood what I'm telling with you, I'm not scared what I'm telling with you. You are just a asshole people, a human being that I'm falling in love with you in tiring life. What you done? You lost it. So I don't like a person lies. You just lie to your wife. You never show your wife and those people that you just, why? Because you're shy to show those people, then you're insulting me as I am. You're insulting me and your brother. You're insulting me because I show blah blah blah. Then what is he telling about? Huh? Mackay blood? Then you just brainwash Mackay blood? Then our friendship gone? Because of what you're telling about in your, sorry with my words, your brain, haring bangis. I'm very, very angry with you all the time. But you never hear me in years, days. I never come in your event. You know why? If I coming, I never show myself. Why? Because I am so much angry with your insecurity, with your judgment. One day, people will be successful. One day you will be think, oh, I'm lost at life. I judge this person. He was just a woman being. That he was a wonderful woman. He was a strong woman. He judged it. You judge me. You're just telling me that I'm crazy. How dare you? I supporting you all the time. Where you then, where you go in your event. No matter what is it, I am there as a friend. What you did. Diba? Anong ginawa nila? Binastos nila ako. So, nung hindi na ako pumunta sa event na, nagsisisi kayo ngayon. Oh. So, mali kayo na akala. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, I will there for supporting you than insulting me as I am. Because people change. People can be, become they are in their life. Has advice. Has a motivated. Think yourself. Change yourself. Don't pretending. Kung talagang gusto magmotor ka. At ipakita mo sa lahat ng tao na talagang totoo ka. Diba? At huwag mong ipakita sa lahat ng mga yan na ako yung masamang tao. Dahil hindi ako nagpapakita sa'yo. Kahit may gusto ka sa akin at minahal kita, wala na ako pagbibigyan ng pagkakataon, pagbibigyan ko ng pagmamahal ko. Bakit? You wasting my time. Yun lang yun. Wala akong pagbibigyan ng pagmamahal ko. Dahil mas mahal ko ang mga tao na hahanga sa akin at mamahalin ako. At matututo sila ng totoong advice about sa buhay ko. Dahil kailangan nila ako. Kailangan ako ng sarili kong bansa. Dahil balang araw, may pangarap din ako sa sarili kong bansa. ipaglaban ang karapatan ng bawat isa at maging pantay-pantay tayo. Become Thai in our destruction in our life, that I need all of those people around the world respecting the Philippines, because we are Filipino. We are not yours country. We are Filipino, and respect each other. Don't insecurity. Be yourself. Be confident yourself, because no one is ugly. We have this. We have a mental mind. We are restricted that we are smart. You know that. Pilipino ka. Tayo ay matatalino kaysa sa ibang bansa. Kaya nang isipin nyo kung bakit tayo kinakaasaran ng ibang bansa. Why the people in other country insulting us? Because we are smart. That's all.